Hello everyone, welcome to Update again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix your Galaxy Buds 2 if you have a noise problem or one of your earbuds is lower in volume than the other one. So first of all, I have tried to do everything to fix that noise problem. I have gone to labs, I have gone to reset, I tried resetting actually my earbuds and this never worked. So the only solution for it is here. So first of all, the problem was whenever I turn on a video, it would sound noisy, and also the same whenever I try music or something like that on Spotify, I have that problem. So the solution that I found, which is a temporary solution, not a permanent solution, is to turn off the active noise cancellation and the ambient sound. So what you have to do is put the toggle on off, and this should fix it all. This is a temporary solution that will make your noise go away, and also it will help you with the low volume problem. It is a temporary solution until you put your earbuds back at Samsung customer service and they will fix it for you. I think the problem is actually in the transmitter for the active noise cancellation and the ambient sound. I hope this fixed it for you guys. Thanks for watching and like and subscribe, please. Thank you, guys.